believe this is recording. I have completely no idea. Welcome back everybody, Harlan Ford here, and in today's video we're going to be making some coconut caves. Now this is my first one I made. I'm not entirely sure if I'm happy with it or not, but I do think that this will work for breeding your epistogrammas, cubensis, all those sorts of like dwarf cichlids. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it, and well, this is the way I do it. I'm not saying it's the way to do it, but this is how I do it. Enjoy. Okay, so I would recommend being careful when you are drilling because this happens. It just exploded, so that's a waste. So you can see here we've got our little coconut shell and it's got fiber on it. Doesn't look that cool, and we need to drill a hole in it. So the best way to do that is you're going to need a drill and a drill bit. So here's a drill with no battery. And you're going to need a drill bit. Now I have a lot of kits here, so I'm just going to grab a really big one. So maybe, is that sharp? This could be good. We're going to go with this one here. You got to just make sure that it'll fit your fish in your cave. So if you want a bigger hole, you're going to have to use a bigger drill bit. But this is the drill bit that I'm going to use to drill through my coconut shell. So we're going to need to put that in the end of your drill. Make sure it's maxed out, so you can put that in there. You're gonna need a new battery, because that battery's flat as a tap. And so is that. Let's see if we can do it with a small battery. So you got your coconut shell. Alright, so here is your coconut shell. I've had some troubles trying to find some room on this bench, but we've got our coconut shell and we've got our drill. So we want to drill a hole about here. Ooh. That's the battery gone on that one too. Damn it. What's the battery always running out for? You go find another battery. Coconut shells are perfectly safe for your aquarium, so this is just like, and it's natural. So that's why I chose coconuts for these little caves. So I've got a battery. What now? All right, here we go. Whoa. So I go full bore. There we go. So we've got our first hole. Now we're gonna do another like 15 of these. So we've got all our coconut shells. There's heaps more, but now we need to defiber them. We've got a little, like, I don't even know what the heck this thing's called. Oh! I just had a shovel fall on me. Gonna take the fibers off with this wire brush. So this is your defibered coconut shell. Now we have to do another 15 of these. Okay guys, now we have finished all of our coconut. So this is the result. You get a little coconut shell and you basically just drill a hole in it. Pretty simple. You don't have to defiber the coconut shells, but you're gonna get a lot more tannins in your aquarium water. If you don't, this is just what I like to do. It makes it a nice, shinier, cooler look. Didn't take off every single fiber, but the majority of them. So here we've just got a ton of coconuts, shells, and we've got all our little holes drilled in them. I mean, some of them, you know, it's the one we just did. Some of them aren't perfect, but that's half the look, hey. So I would give these little coconut shells a bit of a rinse off before you put them in your aquarium water, just in case there's some dirt or just something on these shells. These, when I bought them, came already cleaned out of all the coconut on the inside, hygienic. So they actually came from Sri Lanka, which is kind of strange. I can prove the point right here. You can buy these, you know, online, and I basically just ordered like 15 of them. I have to look back to see exactly how much these things cost, but they are about 15 or 16 of these coconut shells, and they're all finished and pretty cool. Nice little homes for your opisthogrammas. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway on these coconut shells. So all you need to do, literally, is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below Don, and I'm going to be sending away some of these coconut shells to you guys. And that's all you need to do. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.